Hello and welcome to Last Moment Preparation. In this video, we are going to take a look at how to take user inputs in Java. So to take user inputs, we need a class named scanner. So I'm going to import it from the java.util package. Import java.util.scanner. Then we also need to create an object of this class. So I'll say scanner, my scanner. This is the name of the object. I'll say my scanner is equal to new scanner, and we also need to specify the source. So I'll say system.in, which allows us to take inputs from the keyboard. Then let's imagine a simple program where we ask the user for his name and just print it out on the console. So I'll just ask the user for his name. So I'll say enter your name. And now we also need to store that name in some variable. So I'm going to say string name is equal to my scanner dot next. So it is recommending to use nextLine, but we'll just use next, which takes a string input because I want to show you something. Then we'll also print this on the console. So we'll say the name is, and we'll just concatenate the name variable. Okay. So you see that there is a warning on my scanner. Let's read that warning. So it is saying that my scanner is never closed. So what it recommends is we just close by using the close method of this object. Okay, so now it is fine. Let's compile and run this program. I'll say java c e2 user input dot java. Let's compile this and now run it. So I'll say e2 underscore user input. Okay, now it is asking me for my name, so I'll say last moment preparation. But as you can see, it only printed the first word, which was last. From this, you must have guessed that space is acting as a breaking character. So after spacebar, it is considering moment and preparation to be next strings rather than the same strings. So this tells us something about the behavior of the next method. But we also had another method which was next line. So this time let's use it. We'll say next line, and we'll see what magic happens. We'll again compile and run this program. So I'll say java c and run this. So this time if I enter last moment preparation, then as you can see, the entire name got printed. In this video, we had a look at how to take string inputs from the user. In the next video, when we write a program for addition of two numbers, we will get a hold of how to take integer or any number for that matter from the user. Till then, keep watching Last Moment Preparation, like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. See you next time.